Today we're going to be making fire from only desert plants. I brought some yucca with me from lower elevation to make some good cordage, so let's get going. I found a good group of cottonwoods in the bottom of this canyon by a little creek. We're going to use that for our board and spindle. Probably get one of these dry branches poking up right here. Hopefully that one's dry enough. Whole thing broke off. Here's a good piece we can use for a spindle. I believe these are Fremont cottonwoods, one of my favorite desert species. You'll always find them growing in the bottom of canyons where it's wet. Pretty cool trees. They get huge. This back piece is going to be the piece that we're putting pressure on, and so you want it to be kind of thin for a little ways so as it burns up it doesn't get any harder to twist. This other end you want just kind of rounded for maximum friction. Take off this knot. There we go, there's our spindle. Now we need a bow. I think I'm going to use this already broken piece of chokecherry right here. I think I'm going to try this rock for our pressure plate on the back. See if it works. If not, we might have to get a piece of hardwood. All right, got our fireboard, spindle, got a bow, got a pressure rock. Last but not least, we need some cordage. This is definitely going to be the hardest part. So to start your cordage, you just twist this until it kind of binds up. That's the start of your rope, and then you can just start your twisting. Twist away, and then the whole thing back towards you. Pretty soon you'll end up with some cordage. And then as you go, you want to just grab your extra pieces. You can even just fold them over right in the middle and then keep going. Trickiest part is just to gauge your thickness. Try and keep it consistent all the way across, especially for what we're going to be using it for a bow drill. Be a lot easier if it's nice and consistent. Want to give yourself a little more than you think here. And I usually just wrap this end around and hold it. Get a little groove started so you can burn it in. Found some resin off of this juniper tree. Got some grass and some juniper bark for a bird nest. I'm gonna use this juniper pitch to lubricate the back of my spindle. Definitely not the best for this. Better to use oil or fat or something, but might help a little. All right, we're gonna give this a little go. Getting a little dust, but not a ton. Got a little pile. Don't think we're quite hot enough to get an ember yet. It broke. Gonna need another one. I might have enough to try again. Let's see. Oh yeah, looks like we got enough. I got a piece of chokecherry to try for the pressure plate in the back and see if that holds it in a little better. Alright, let's give that a try. Alright, I grabbed a new piece of cottonwood we're going to try. I think it might be a little bit less punky. And there we go. There we go, just like that. Got fire from only desert plants. So that was pretty cool. We got a fire going using only desert plants. I used cottonwood for the hearthboard and for the spindle. Used chokecherry for my pressure plate. Used a chokecherry branch for my bow. And last but not least, we used Yucca cordage. That's pretty cool. That Yucca cordage actually works really well. It's kind of sticky, so it grips the spindle pretty good, and it's actually really strong. So, pretty fun time. Hope to catch you on the next one.